You've heard of courier jobs, but you haven't heard of these specific medical courier contract routes hiring near you that pay $8,000 or more a month in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify high-paying medical courier independent contractor jobs in logistics, box trucks, and courier routes. I always include chapters in my videos, so if you want to skip ahead, feel free to check the video description and jump to the section you need. Even then, this channel isn't for you if you just want a quick courier gig. If you are serious about building courier empires and taking control of your routes, revenue contracts, stick with me, Jules. This is where real prime contractors build success. Hi, I'm Diamond. Stay until the end, give this video a thumbs up, like, and engage with me. Jules community has been asking in the comments and in private emails, when are you going to host a private paid webinar? Well, the time has come. If you are serious about building a fleet of drivers, dedicated courier routes, and control, not companies controlling your daily earnings, this webinar is exactly what you need to understand. Click the link in the video description box below. For March 22nd, seats are limited to 1 to 200 participants, so secure your seat now. If you cannot attend, you can book a one-on-one consultation. Listen, watch the video until the end. I had a student who lost a multi-million-dollar federal government courier contract because he failed to properly disclose his background with the DOD. You have struggled, failed a background check, or have a felony on your record. Pay close attention so you do not repeat my student's mistake when pursuing these medical courier contracts. Not right now, but after this video, watch the above content where I explain how my student lost a multi-million-dollar government contract in April of last year, Fort Sam, Houston. True story. He lost the opportunity because he was not truthful during the background disclosure process called the UAR. In 2026, the demand for reliable couriers is extremely high, especially in the healthcare industry. Now I'm going to show you several companies where medical courier contracts can generate $8,000 a month or more, depending on your routes or region. The first medical courier company is EKW Transport, located in Chicago. This company believes in providing second chance medical courier opportunities to felons and or people who has a felony background and have difficulty getting a job because of their history. Diamond Hunter Enterprises and EKW have partnered programs that offer blessings for those seeking contracts for couriers. I am placing Ebony's contact information on the screen, so take a screenshot. The email is ebonywilliams510@gmail.com. Be patient with EKW because they are growing new business in Chicagoland and receive many emails. She has medical courier contract opportunities where you can begin positioning yourself as an owner operator. You always say you want to be a boss, so let's boss up and build our owner operator courier businesses in 2026. Here is Ebony's beautiful picture, and she is an amazing lady. Positions also pay weekly and some of them bi-weekly, and they're high paying. Good luck. The second company is Accurate Courier Services. I spoke directly with Mary regarding opportunities for the Jewel community. There is a high demand for medical courier contractors across multiple states, especially in regions like Cincinnati and California. And these routes continue expanding as the need for reliable medical transport grows. This industry, Jules, is high demand, ever changing. Take action and position yourself now. For over 20 years, Accurate Courier Services has been a trusted provider of dependable medical courier services. You can read more on your own time. They're a national logistics solutions company Mary stated that the potential earnings for some routes may exceed $200 and $500 daily. Now, Jules, is dependent upon your vehicle. If you have a 4-door sedan, expect the lower end of routes. The only time when logistics pay is increased if you have a cargo van or sprinter and box trucks. Accurate Courier Services is headquartered here in California, North Highlands. To my understanding, include weekly settlements depending upon your route and region. Hit that thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe. Support Diamond Hunter Enterprises in the Jewel community. Much appreciated. From here, fill out Contact Us page. Your full name, company name, Jules, you must have an LLC or corporation, C-Corp or S-Corp. If you need help setting up your corporation, not a tax attorney, I help individuals set up their LLC in a state that whereas you're not going to be taxed. So this is where you're going to fill out your company name, your email address, your phone number, and your message. Hit submit. They are constantly hiring, so don't give up on this company, guys. Utilize the email and their telephone number. Introduce your company. This is how bosses get paid. Market yourself. Email me at diamondhunterenterprises@gmail.com. You need a one-on-one consultation or someone to help you with scripts to land independent courier contract owner operator contracts, okay? The next company is Red Fox Logistics. This is a regional life sciences logistics company specializing in medical courier, independent contractor routes. They believe in dedicated route drivers, temperature controls, customized quality controls, also have urgent time and temperature sensitive shipments. Do you have your TWIC card? Are you TSA certified to deliver to and from the airport, Jules? Every day, Red Fox Medical Courier safely and reliably moves thousands of critical shipments like organs around the world, from personalized med therapies and investigational drugs, human organs, tissue and blood products, to biological samples and more. What you can expect. Dedicated couriers. Our drivers go through extensive training to meet all necessary requirements for handling and transporting customers' vital medical specimens, compliant with the following: HIPAA, PHI, OSHA, TSA, IATA regulations. Red Fox Medical Courier is certified on a state and national level to transport anything from infection samples, Class 2 pharmaceuticals, radioactive pharmaceuticals, and oxygen. Make sure you all watch my video with regards to the specialized certifications that you need to make at least $1,500 a day, depending upon region or state. Red Fox managed delivery logistics, including exposure control plans, high-tech HIPAA and PHI compliancy, driver certifications, indirect air carrier, shipping guidelines with commercial carriers. Now, their jobs are listed, and for some odd reason, I cannot access it right now, Jules. So I'm sorry about that. They are hiring in multiple states right now. Click Drive with Us. Fill out the driver courier application form. It's self-explanatory. Make sure you click every day of the week, 7 days a week, until you're hired on to provide dedicated routes on demand or stat routes, Jules. Click You Confirm and done. Okay. The last company is American Logistics. This is a national transportation logistics company coordinating services across multiple regions. They provide medical courier services and a lot more for independent contractor partnerships and owner-operator logistics work. Some contractor positions can pay $1,500 all the way up to $5,500 per week, which can scale easily to $8,000 plus or more per month, depending on the workload. If you come here and click Other, Country, United States, click the drop-down menu, select your state. And scroll down. All states are listed. As you can see, drivers are wanted in Lexington, Kentucky, pay anywhere from $1,080 to $3,000 a week. Jules, multiple positions. You hit apply. Here are the titles. Also, they have entry-level freight dispatchers where you get paid $1,800 to $3,200 plus weekly. That's a bonus. Owner-operator drivers, all trailer types, 1099 independent contractor. That's for a trailer. So if you have a pickup truck and a trailer, you want to hit apply here. If you want to become one of their truck driver recruiters, guess what? You can earn anywhere from $8,000 to $2,000 per week. Knoxville, Tennessee have drivers wanted CDL and non-CDL. We're focusing on non-CDL. Looking for better pay, better lanes, or a better company? You found American Logistics Authority. What they're looking for: non-CDL, new driver, no experience, experienced driver, looking to switch companies. Why drivers are responding? Guess what? Fast approvals, flexible routes and equipment types, owner-operator opportunities available. And why should you respond? And how it works. You submit the request, we review what you qualify for, we contact you with available options. You choose what works best for you. Respond now to view available positions. Open seats are filling daily. Submitting a request does not lock you into anything. Okay, so apply for this position. For all my Atlanta people, if medical courier is not working out for you, I want to point out you can be a logistics coordinator, work from home. You can get paid anywhere from $1,800 to $3,500 a week. You hit apply here. It's a remote position. This is phenomenal. Read through the responsibilities, qualifications, and the pay. How do you apply? Click apply to position. For anyone living in Colorado, they have CDL and non-CDL multiple positions available. I want to point out a very important opportunity for those who have a felon or may have had some issues with a not so good background, and it's difficult for you to find jobs. American Logistics is a second chance courier company. What they offer is phenomenal here. New and experienced driver options, weekly pay programs, fast approvals, flexible routes and equipment types, owner-operator. I want to emphasize owner-operator opportunities, meaning that you have fleet under your belt. Here on the Diamond Hunter Enterprises channel, I speak into existence how you should have a fleet, whether it's 2 to 5 or 5 or more vehicles under your belt to optimize your pay as a LLC, C-Corp, or S-Corp. We do not push you into one company. We match you with what fits you best. Who should respond? Drivers unhappy, drivers sitting at home, drivers wanting more consistent miles, drivers needing a fresh start. This is where I want you to pay attention. If you have a felony on your background check, apply to American Logistics Authority now. Drop what you're doing after this video and apply. Non-CDL drivers looking for entry-level opportunities. For those of you who inbox me, you say, oh, but I don't have an experience. I say, use my company. You all have been blessed to use Diamond Hunter Enterprises, and the least that you can do is this. Open your Blue Vine checking account after this video, Jules, and show me love. I get a small commissions. At least you can pay it forward. If you can drive, we likely have something for you. Respond now to view available positions. Open seats are filling daily. Submitting a request does not lock you into anything. Okay, Jules, so as you can see, they have numerous positions. You are looking to make millions in 2026, building a corporation with dedicated routes you control, not companies controlling your daily earnings. Diamond Hunter Enterprises focuses on multi-million-dollar federal government contracting, courier contracts, and powerful contract bidding nuggets. I bring you truths, updates, and strategies for couriers, independent contractors, government contractors, and small business opportunities to help you secure contracts and scale into government contracting logistics. hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe so you will never miss a strategy, tip, or inside high-paying courier routes and government contracts.